How to enable notification categories for individual apps. This tutorial shows you how to fine-tune which types of alerts you get from each app. First, open your Android settings. Tap on Apps to see your list of installed apps. After that, select the app you want to manage notifications for. From there, tap on Notifications. At this point, you'll see a list of notification categories specific to that app, such as messages, reminders, or promotions. In the next step, tap on any category to expand its options. Following this, toggle the category on or off depending on whether you want those alerts. Once done, tap into a category if you want to adjust things like sound, vibration, or lock screen visibility. From here, repeat this for any other categories within the same app. At this stage, go back to the main notification screen once you're finished. After this, select any other app from the list if you want to customize its categories too. Once completed, exit Settings. Finally, your chosen notification categories will now apply automatically going forward. Keep in mind, not every app offers multiple notification categories. Some only have a single on or off toggle. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable notification categories for your apps, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next